Namaskaram. Welcome back. We move along to the next shlokam. Shlokam number 4 of Sri Rajarajeshwari Mantra Matrikastavam, brilliantly composed by Adi Shankaracharya. Today we will come to Aksharam number 4 or syllable number 4, La. Please join me. Let us chant. Lakshya nirikshanam nirupamam rudrakshamala trayakshartha kriti दक्षवंशकलिकां दीर्घाक्षि दीर्घस्वरां भद्रां भद्रवरप्रदां भगवतीं भद्रेश्वरीं मुद्रिणीं श्रीचक्रप्रिय बिन्दुतर्पणपरां श्रीराजराजेश्वरीं श्रीराजराजेश्वरीं श्रीराजराजेश्वरीं. The meanings: salutations to Goddess Sri Rajarajeshwari, who sees all that is manifest and unmanifest, who is without equal and wears the garland of Rudrakshas, who is the three-eyed one, source of the meaning of Triyaksha, who is like a blossoming digit of the moon, or descended from the twice-born Daksha's lineage, who has long, beautiful eyes and a prolonged, melodious voice, who is the auspicious one and the bestower of auspicious boons, who is the supreme goddess, queen of the lotuses, Padmeshwari, and granter of mudras, who is ever fond of the worship of Sri Chakra and offerings at its central bindu, who is the supreme queen, Sri Rajarajeshwari.